They have a grave concern about Labor Day coming up, and they asked me and the other governors to talk directly to the people of our states about Labor Day. Holidays are when we get together, we have fun. We can get together, we can have fun, but we've got to be very, very careful. Many people, it marks the end of summer, kind of a milestone. It's an opportunity to get together. But as we gather with families and friends, we must remember that whenever there's more activity, we're going to see more cases. I'd like to take a look at what we've seen from previous long weekends this summer and what we've been seeing recently in our communities. We saw a lot of movement around the state over the 4th of July weekend. And then after that, we saw a significant spread of the virus. Many of this comes out of what you'd expect of the 4th of July, family gatherings, being with friends to celebrate the holiday. We know it takes about a week or maybe 2 for people to develop symptoms after coming into contact with someone who is contagious. We should remember that some people may not show symptoms of being sick at all, and they can be contagious. Cases and positivity were already going up in June after we reopened. As people got together, though, during the 4th of July, we saw our cases increase even more. By mid-July, we were averaging close to 1,500 cases per day, and our positivity rate was an average of 6.5%. Eric, let's look at this slide. This is a slide we showed you before. We talked about this case before, but I want to show you again as an example of just how a kind of benign, what would seem to be a benign, happy trip to a lake resulted in significant community spread. A couple with their daughter and a family friend rode in the same vehicle on a 40-minute trip to a lake in Ohio. The family friend had COVID-19, but she did not know it at the time. And as you can see from this graphic, that case led to an additional 9 cases. It also led to the temporary closing of 3 businesses. A vacation employee from one of those businesses was quarantined in a hotel room. Another was told on her wedding day that she faced possible quarantine. And the daughter from the car ride, who was trying to get her first teaching job, had her hiring process delayed. More recently, other cases. Just in the past few weeks, we've heard from several of our local health departments about spread associated again with family, friends gathering together. For example, in Lake County, a parent traveled out of state and came home the day before a birthday party that included high school athletes from multiple jurisdictions. The parent got sick the day after the party, and now there are 4 confirmed cases associated with that party. In another Lake County example, a group of teens who worked together at a grocery store attended a birthday party together in mid-August. There are now 3 associated cases to date and 1 person who does not have symptoms who's waiting for test results. The attendees at the party have said that there were no masks, no social distancing taking place at the party. Another case, a neighbor attended a family card game in Trumbull County with 3 members of the same family. The neighbor got sick the day after the card game, and now all the family members are positive. 2 of the family members passed it along to their spouses. Putnam County, there are now 10 cases associated with a large golf outing held on August 21st.